Welcome to this new session on essential soft skills for self-development. Fifth essential skill in the series is time management. Time is more precious and valuable than money. So you need to learn the skills of time management. In this session you will learn the time management techniques with the rule of 24. And many more. Now, question is, why do we need to learn time management? Time is more precious than money, so you need control over your time. For that you need time management. Time management need to save time. Time management need to reduce the stress. Time management need to increase your work output. Time management need to have more control over your job responsibilities. These are the 4 factors which determine the necessity of time management in everyone's life. We have only 24 hours in our one-day life. That is the same for everyone. In these 24 hours, we have to manage everything of our daily activities. So you have to utilize your time effectively. How to use time effectively? That is the important part of this session here. Number 1. Make plan. Number 2. Set goal. Number 3. Set deadlines. Number 4. Delegate responsibilities. Number 5. Prioritize activities as per their importance. Number 6. Spend the right time on the right activity. As time is valuable and precious than money, you have to utilize it effectively. For that, you have to understand the process of time management. How? Let's check. Define cost for your time. Make activity logs. Set goal. Make proper plans. Define priorities. Schedule finishing dates. Adopt the process and reach to the excellency in time management skill. Time management skill makes you efficient to do any task. Before reaching to the excellency, become efficient in time management. How? Follow these tiny steps. Prepare to-do list. Be focused. Be proactive. Project values and task. Level the tasks with priorities. Organize the tasks and the events. Delegate the tasks and projects based on priorities. All these actions will increase your efficiency. How to reach to excellency in time management. When need to reach into the level of excellency in managing the time. Follow the time management matrix by Stephen Covey. Stephen Covey introduces time management matrix in his book, 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. A must-read book for self-help and self-management.
Links of his popular books are given in the description box. Check there for read and purchase books.
Books link is available in the description box below. Go and check there. How to use time management matrix. To manage your time and prioritize your task. Utilize this matrix effectively. This matrix is divided in 4 quadrants. Quadrant 1. Task is urgent and important. Take for first priority. Decide the action plan accordingly. Quadrant 2. The task is important but not urgent. Delegate. Quadrant 3. Task is urgent but not important. Prioritize it and do it in self-supervision. Quadrant 4. Task is neither important nor urgent. Skip those tasks and add in forwarding list. Techniques number 2 to boost time management. Technique 2 is ABC analysis. How to do ABC analysis for task prioritization. Use ABC techniques to prioritize your tasks. This is the ABC analysis tools for manage time and tasks. Tasks which are important and urgent, keep them in category A, top priority items. Tasks which are important but not urgent, keep them in category B, top priority items but not urgent. Tasks which are not important neither urgent, keep them in category C. Skip them for some times. Identify the top urgent 20% tasks and schedule action for them. Your 20% efforts result 80% output. The Pareto chart theory works on this principle of 20% efforts results 80% output. Technique 3 for effective time management. To manage your time, use the priority matrix to identify the urgency of tasks. Divide your tasks as per their importance and urgency. Determine the action plans for them. The important and urgent tasks, do them first. The important but not urgent tasks, schedule them for next, then the first. Tasks which are low important and urgent, delegates them to colleagues and subordinates. Or do later. Tasks which are not such important nor urgent, skip those tasks for a while. The conclusion of the priority matrix is do now, do next, do later, and ignore the tasks accordingly. Technique 4. Make the prioritizing easy. To drive your time management process effectively, prioritization of the tasks is important tool. How to make prioritizing task easy. Use the following tool. Analyze your tasks based on their impact and effort required to do. Follow this matrix strictly. Utilize this tool and make your time management task easy to act. Technique 5 for time management skill. To boost your time management skill and manage your time effectively, use this tool carefully. The 4-quadrant model to manage your time. Prioritize and take actions for urgency and importance of task. Follow these tools and techniques to reach to the excellent level of the time managing skills. So do like, share and comments. How do you find this session? Don't forget write us in the comment box. Also, don't forget to hit that red button below with bell icon to show your support for us.